Okay, so I wanted to do one of these problems for you when the denominator is a little bit more, just so that you know to follow the same steps, the same setup, and just approach it the same way that we did the other ones, so that you know what to do and you realize you know what to do, okay? Hold on 1 second. Alright, okay, so again, we look at them separately. This is a big division problem. So, this is our big division, so we're going to look at the numerator. And lucky for us, the numerator doesn't need to add or subtract. The numerator is just one fraction, so you don't have to worry about adding or subtracting. That one's taken care of. So that means we just want to look at the denominator. Okay, so the denominator is 1 over x plus 4, and then the other part is 2 over x. Okay? So now that we've got that denominator, remember we have to get a common denominator to solve these. Alright, so this one's done. We'll deal with it in a second. This one, remember we asked, what is this missing that this one has? And in this case, this one is missing the x. Okay, so you multiply x on top and on bottom. Alright, what is this one missing that this one has? And that would be the x plus 4 and the x plus 4. Alright, so now that the denominators match, now we will have a fraction, and it will be x times x plus 4. And then the numerator will be an x plus, and then we're just going to distribute 2x plus 8. Alright, so now that we have a fraction here and a fraction here, remember this one, the pink one was on top and the blue one was on bottom, so that means that we're going to divide those two those two fractions. And remember, when we divide, we use the phrase keep, change, flip. That way we make sure everything lines up and that kinds of stuff. So, we keep it, we're going to change it, we're going to flip it. I'm going to do that over here just since I have some room. So, let me rewrite it. That's 5 over x plus 4. I'm going to change it to multiplication, and I'm going to go ahead and flip this one. X over x plus 4 over, I'm going to go ahead and put those two together, 3x plus 8. Alright, and if we wanted to, we would want to factor, but 3x and 8, they don't have a GCF, so that's as far as it goes. But remember, a multiplication problem just means it's really just one big problem. So let's look at it as one big problem. It's just this times this over this times this. And if you notice, our x plus 4s will cancel out. Alright, so our x plus 4's cancel out, and we are just left with 5x in the numerator and 3x plus 8 in the denominator. So it worked out pretty well for us. It wasn't quite as intense as maybe some of the other common denominator stuff, but we did have to get the common denominator, get our condensed fraction or our simplified fraction, and then follow our keep, change, flip. Alright, so hopefully that gives you a heads up on some of your homework problems, and we'll keep practicing them, alright?